Hi everyone, now we are in Big Salmon River. If you are looking for a place to relax, to walk in the nature, this is the best place. By the way, this is the parking here in Big Salmon River. Yeah, it is a good place to park. And it's inside Fundy Trail Park. When you are here, you can feel the air, the freshness of the air, and also the nature was so beautiful. The Big Salmon River is a small river in southern North Brunswick, Canada, that flows south into the Bay of Fundy. The river has its source to the southwest of Sussex, New Brunswick. And also, the river flows into the Bay of Fundy near Fundy-St. Martins and serves as the endpoint of the Fundy Trail. What you see there here at the endpoint, that's the Fundy Bay. As I told you in the beginning, this is the very nice place to visit and hang with your kids or family or just you alone to walk. This is the best place for me. You see that it has a bit fogs there, but because when you were there, it was so foggy, and then this is just the only place that has like makes sense to us to roam around, because we can see at the, how do you call this one, at the bottom, and when we were on top, we can see nothing. And here the old couple is roaming around, and we even see that it has a big house on the top of the river there. You see that? Yeah, that's a house there. It might be a chalet, I think. And also we saw a chipmunk, cute chipmunk over there. I just forgot to bring my peanut. So there is me crossing a suspension bridge. What is there? Oh my goodness! There are people who swimming also, even if it's written there it's restricted, it's not allowed, but still. This is so nice. And also, if you've noticed there, it has stamps there, like they have formed it. That's the visitors who did that as a mark of their visit in this place. I was just wondering if it has lots of salmons here, because it's called Big River Salmon, so it might have here for sure, but I didn't see it when I was there. I was even tempted to swim there because the water was like crystal clear, but when I read the sign it was like restricted, so I did not go. But even if it was restricted, there are still people who's like swimming. He didn't follow the rules. Oops, I was there waiting Margaret to come. So finally we've arrived and we're going to the side of the river now. The circle with someone on them. These people were just Seperti banyak. Ah, ya di rush lah, bukan rush. So these are the rocks which I mentioned a while ago. It's so cute. I needed it. And then, as usual, I was thinking it was a picture, but then it's a video. A small house there. And then they put a sign for the danger zone. You cannot go beyond that. So that's all about Big Salmon River, guys, and I hope you like it. And if you do so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nourishing Travel Journey, and my FB page, Facebook page, Nourishing Journey. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye bye. Till next time.